How to use some different features in Photoshop, such as drop shadow and bevel and emboss. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just simply draw a shape on the screen. For this example, I will just draw a square, and I will fill that in using the paint bucket tool. I'm going to select a different color. Red is perfect. Alright, so to start, I simply go to Layer, Layer Style, and then here are my options. Drop Shadow, Bevel and Emboss, Color Overlay. Let's say I choose Bevel or Drop Shadow. Alright, right away I can see that there's already a drop shadow on the box that I created. But there are many options here. And I go in, and first of all there's opacity. This is how light and dark it is. Then distance. If I change the distance, you can see my shadow. You can even see it moving. Spread. How spread out or thick do I want it to be? Right now it's very thick. Or do I want it to be really spread out? And size. How do I want it to look? I simply click OK when I like it, and I'm done. Outer glow. You can already see there's an outer glow on my image. Pretty much the same thing. I can choose the size of it if I want it to be real big or not. And we're not going to keep that. There's also a bevel and emboss. Right away you can see as I click this, watch my shape go from 2D to appear 3D. This is the inner bevel. Gives it a 3D-like appearance. If I choose an outer bevel, looks like my shape is popping out of the screen. Then there's an emboss and a pillow emboss, where it actually looks like it's pushed in to the screen. And those are the options that I wanted to show you. And these can be used with text. If I show you very quickly how these can be used with text. Alright, we've just drawn an H because I have some big lettering. And you know what? One is fine. Layer, Layer Style, Drop Shadow. Look at that. We've given the text a drop shadow. Make the text 3D. And that's all. That's how you use these features.